I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you can access the affected TikTok account and that your device is on stable Wi-Fi. Once done, update the app to the latest version because many server upgrade issues are fixed in releases. Make sure you back up drafts and note linked accounts and settings so you don't lose anything during forced refreshes. Now clear the app cache or restart the device to remove stale session data before proceeding to the deeper troubleshooting steps. You now perform deeper corrections. Force stop TikTok, clear cache and app data, then reopen to trigger a fresh authentication. If that fails, switch networks, test mobile data versus Wi-Fi, and toggle any VPN because routing or DNS can block the upgrade handshake. Reinstall the app if tokens remain corrupted. This forces a clean client-server exchange. While signing back in, watch for sync delays and let the app complete background uploads and server handshakes before testing features. You finish by verifying core features. Post a small test upload, try messaging, and open live tools to confirm server functionality. If issues persist, collect diagnostic details, account ID, device model, OS version, timestamps, and screenshots or error messages, because support needs them to correlate with server logs. As a key troubleshooting tip, if the problem continues after reinstallation and network tests, provide those diagnostics to TikTok support and request escalation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.